Kenmore Appliance Repair Service in Dallas and Fort Worth specializes in Kenmore washer repair, Kenmore dryer repair, Kenmore refrigerator repair, Kenmore freezer repair, Kenmore ice maker repair, Kenmore ice machine repair, Kenmore cooktop repair, Kenmore vent hood repair, Kenmore range repair, Kenmore oven repair, Kenmore undercounter repair, Kenmore trash compactor repair, Kenmore wine cooler repair, and much more. No matter what's wrong with your Kenmore appliance, we can help. Call us today at 214-260-7732.